So if you've ever searched something like best CRM for startups or how to rank a website in 2024 and a Quora post popped up, yeah, that's what we're talking about today. Quora is this massive Q&A platform, but most people don't realize it's also a free marketing channel, and a really good one if you're trying to get organic traffic or promote your brand without spending money. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what Quora is, how to use it, and a smart way to scale it without spending your life answering questions. Stick around. It's not hard, but there are some tricks that make it actually worth your time. So Quora is a giant question and answer site. Anyone can ask a question, and anyone can jump in and answer. That's the basic idea. But here's what makes it powerful. The answers get indexed on Google. So if you reply to a trending question and it ranks, that post could send traffic to your profile for months, even years. For example, I once answered a simple question like, what's the best free SEO tool? It took me 3 minutes. That one answer got over 7,000 views in under 60 days. No ads, no backlinks, just a helpful response. And here's the wild part. Quora gets over 550 million monthly visits. That's more than Reddit. So yeah, it's still alive. And it's huge. To get started, go to Quora.com and sign up. You can use Google, Facebook, or email. Once you're in, Quora will ask you to pick some topics. Just choose the stuff that fits your niche. Like SEO, crypto, productivity, marketing, design. Now you'll see your feed. It's kind of like Twitter meets Reddit, except every post is a question and answers are public. Let me pause here real quick. If you're trying to get discovered, meaning people clicking on your name or checking out your site, this is step 1. Pick the right topics. Also, go set up your profile. Add a photo, short bio, and link to your website. You'd be surprised how many people click on your name if your answers are helpful. Now, here's the smart part. You don't just answer random questions. You go for intent-based questions. Stuff where the person is clearly looking for help or a tool. Like, any good Notion alternatives? Is hiring an SEO agency still worth it? How do I grow my newsletter? If you have a product or service or tool, you can reply with a genuine human answer. Don't be pushy. Just share value. For example, someone asks, is there a free CRM for solopreneurs? You reply, I've tried a few, but I ended up sticking with tool name. Super lightweight, no bloat. Boom. You've helped and you've positioned your brand. Now multiply that by 50 answers. That's long-term visibility that doesn't cost you anything. Alright. So what if you love this idea, but you don't have time to sit on Quora all day? That's where a tool called Conventions comes in. This is what I use now. It connects to your Quora account, monitors questions that match your keywords, like email tool, SEO help, best apps, and automatically replies with a smart human-sounding answer. But here's the cool part, it doesn't sound like a bot. It writes like someone who actually used the product. Something like, we've used Rank Pilot with clients and it's worked well. Results take time, but it's worth it. Natural, trustworthy, not spam. And these replies, they go live instantly, often before anyone else has answered. So you show up first, you get seen, you stay visible. And most importantly, you're not burning hours scrolling through Quora. Conventions handles that part. If you're serious about scaling this without burning out, there's a link below. I genuinely recommend trying it. So to recap, if you're trying to build your brand organically, Quora is a massively underused channel. You just need to set up your account right, pick good topics, look for questions with buying intent, give genuinely helpful answers. And if you want to scale it, let Conventions do the heavy lifting. It's basically like having a smart assistant answering for you 24/7 in threads that can live on Google forever. In the next video, I'll break down how to write answers that get clicks, not just views. So if you want that, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've tried Quora before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.